Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to be making green milk from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We're going to start off with our blender and our ingredients. Half of an orange juiced, 2 cups of passion fruit juice, 3/4 of a cup coconut milk, half a cup rice milk, 4 tablespoons of light corn syrup, Now that we have all of that on our mixer, we're going to blend this until it's fully combined. After it's combined, we're going to add green and yellow food coloring. Similar to the blue milk, you may need additional green or yellow food coloring, adjust as necessary. Once this bright light green color is achieved, we're going to add some ice. You'll need about 2 cups of ice. Once the ice is fully blended in, grab a cup, pour it out, and enjoy.